Standard 8 Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 3, Knowing the Database. Introduction. Student, you must have noted how information is arranged alphabetically in a dictionary or in an encyclopedia. The dictionary or encyclopedia also has an index at the back to help you search for information quickly at any point of time. Encyclopedia means what? Encyclopedia means a book or set of books giving information on many subjects or on many aspects of one subject and typically arranged alphabetically. Now student, dictionary and encyclopedia arrange all the information alphabetically. So students, you can easily access and you can easily find out information which you want. In other words, the dictionary or the encyclopedia contains related information organized in a logical manner for easy access. Encyclopedia and dictionary are the two examples of simple databases. History. A database is a collection of data. Other examples of databases are the attendance register, address book and telephone directory. Now student, simple meaning of a database is a data structure that stores organized information. For example, a company database may include employees record, transactional records, salary detail, etc. A database stores and manages a large amount of data on daily basis. Database any collection of data or information that is specially organized for rapid search and retrieval by a computer. Now student, first in the past databases were processed manually, means handwritten. So it was very tedious, उबाऊ, time consuming and error prone. But now with the advent means agman, with the advent of the electronic or computerized database, the task of maintaining voluminous information has undergone a marked change. Means student, with the help of database, we can maintain a lots of information at one place. Now student, benefits of database. All information is available at one place. Means student, you can store a lots of information in your computer. No need to keep the numbers of papers or books, files or register, etc. One computer is enough for you. The data is processed accurately without any mistakes. Errors common in manual calculation are eliminated. Means student, manually if I done any mistake, it is difficult to correct, but with the help of computer it is easily to correct those mistakes. Data is processed promptly, means turant and quickly. Now student, what is a database? A database is a system of storing information in an organized manner and related to a specific topic. Now student, I'll give you one example. If I want to create a register in database, okay, here I'll take the fields GR number, name, middle name, surname, address and mobile number of yours. I fill all the records of yours. Now afterwards, if I want some students detail, if I can easily find out with the help of that student detail with the help of database, because I fill all the details of yours at one place. so no need to search anywhere else. It allows you to sort, extract and summarize information. This type of system is called as Database Management System or DBMS. Now student, DBMS is a software that is used to manage the database. A DBMS basically serves as an interface between the database and its end users or programs, allowing users to retrieve, update and manage how the information is organized and optimized. RDBMS full form is Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is a program that allows you to create, update and administer a relational database. Relational database is most commonly used database. It contains number of tables and each table has its own primary key. In RDBMS, data is organized in the form of database, table and fields. A database contains tables, forms, queries and reports. It is the main file or document used to manage information. A table is designed to enter and hold basic information in the grid of rows and columns. Each row is called as record and each column is called as field. Queries are the extract of information from the different tables based on specific question or inquiry. Form is the tool used to enter and edit the data in your database. Report is a way of presenting data on monitor or you can take the print on the paper. Each database table contains a common data field called as primary key. A primary key is a field in a table which uniquely identifies each row records in a database table. Primary key must contain unique value. A table can have only one primary key which may consist of single or multiple field columns. Where you can apply this key? ID, first name, last name, phone number, date of birth, address, etc. Now remember student, no value in the columns can be blank or null. Let us look at the main constituents of a database. Constituents means principal element. It consists typically of data in the form of tables. A table therefore is the structural unit of a database. The data in the table is organized into columns called fields and into rows called records. A field name is the heading under which the data is provided. It describes the type of information it contains. Example, name, first name, city, age, salary, etc. And a record is the complete set of related fields. Example, name Smith, first name John, city 3rd, age 35 and salary $280. This one is the record. Database management involves creating database tables and fields, selecting data, examining and viewing the information, modifying the database, adding new bits of data and deleting unnecessary ones. The software that allows you to perform all these tasks on a database is called a Database Management System, DBMS. The functions of DBMS. Functions, other meaning role or use. Organizing the data, organizing, arrange. Controlling how and where the data is to be stored. Allowing rapid modification and updating of the data. Providing quick and easy access to the data. Protecting and securing the data. The common examples of database are the address book and the telephone directory. Suppose that you wish to update the telephone numbers in your address book. You would need to refer to the address book as well as to the telephone directory for this purpose. Then you would make the changes manually. Your job could be done more easily and quickly if the two databases were linked or related in certain way. Then the address book could be updated automatically as and when there was a change in the telephone directory. This is exactly what a relational database management system or RDBMS does. The RDBMS helps to manage information from several separate databases that relate to one another through a unique field called a primary key. Some examples of RDBMS are Microsoft Access, Oracle and Sybase. Oracle means what, students? Oracle means allows you to quickly and safely store and retrieve the data. Now student, retrieve means what? Retrieve means to find information that has been stored. The elements of RDBMS. Tables. A table is a collection of records. Queries. A query is the question you asked about the data in your database. Forms. A form is a way of viewing, entering and editing records in a database. Reports. It provides a way of presenting data on paper as meaningful information. Thank you.